Hello friends, hi, this is Sandhya Study Zone channel and let's talk about the topic is it is complete novel and The Old Man and the Sea. It is the American English writer Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway and his biography, coming to his biography, Ernest Hemingway is very popular and the Nobel Prize winner for literature and fiction also Pulitzer Prize for fiction. Okay, and it is very interesting this novel. And Hemingway completely his style is well known for his prose style, very first well known prose style. His language abound his nouns and verbs, often avoiding other parts of speech like adjectives and adverbs. He useful more than words, adjectives and adverbs, and it is very interesting novel and completely you read well. Okay, and The Old Man and the Sea, it is the started working on novel about the sea, about the sea. Career of Hemingway started working on the novel about the sea. The result was The Old Man and the Sea. It is the 1952. The novel was instantaneous success. It was openly acclaimed as the best thing he had ever done. Ernest Hemingway completely involved this novel. Okay, coming to his biography, name Ernest Hemingway and born in July 21st, 1899, Oak Park, United States of America. And okay, completely watch this video and it is very interesting novel and it is very popular novel. Okay, English literature. Okay, this novel is poignant love story of an English nurse and American ambulance driver. Okay, he is more he wrote a farewell novel. Completely the novel love story and Ernest novels completely compared to between nature and humanity of human life, and it is very beautiful things. And okay, and his novels is very interesting and main the aims of the Old Man and the Sea, Hemingway's famous novel. It is the famous novel, and this novel analyzed and what accepted should be taken into account during an analysis. It is very interesting and okay, read completely and this video. Okay, and coming to occupation, an American novelist, short story writer, journalist and sportsman. He is also sportsman. He was published 7 novels. He was published 7 novels, 6 short story collections and 2 non-fiction works. He was published 7 novels, 6 short story collections and 2 non-fiction works. And coming to works, one of the first one is In Our Time. It is published in 1925, and the second one is The Sun Also Rises 1926, and third one A Farewell to Arms 1929, and fourth one To Have and Have Not 1937, and fifth one For Whom the Bell Tolls 1940, and sixth one The Old Man and the Sea 1952. Okay, you students, it is very important for his biography, and his biography is very enlightened and very delightful of the words. And completely you wrote 3, you selected the 3 works at the examination. Okay, and more than 6 also you wrote, and it is very good. And coming to awards, he was awarded the Pulitzer Prize for fiction, the 1954 Nobel Prize in Literature. Okay, he was awarded the Pulitzer Prize for fiction, and next one 1954 Nobel Prize in Literature, and died in July 1961 at the age of 61, Ketchum, Idaho, and United States of America. And coming to introduction of this novel. Okay, The Old Man and the Sea. The unit will also show how a show analyze and what aspects should be taken into account during an analysis. After going through this unit, you will have a fairly good idea about Hemingway's writings, his style. About Hemingway's writings, his style. Okay. The story of the novel and different between elements of the novel. The story of the novel and different between elements of the novel. Hemingway's sentence of bare stark reality without the strong coloring of any emotion or perspective. Hemingway choose regular words and understandable words. He wrote many phrases in this situation, and okay, Hemingway beautiful thinking in this novel, and he's wrote of many allegories in this novel. And Hemingway had one unanswering goal in life. Okay, his works marry unanswering goal life of the nature and humanity of life. And coming to summary, the novel The Old Man and the Sea is a story of man's struggle against the world nature. It talks of the noble courage and endurance of him. Okay, and he was Hemingway is well known prose style. Okay, we are discuss this topic, and he was Nobel Prize winner, and his languages abound the verbs and nouns, useful speech like adjectives and adverbs. His colored verbs and prefer carefully chosen, vivid even metaphoric verbs. His fiction. Okay, here coming to Hemingway's sentence of bare stark reality without the strong coloring of any emotion or perspective. It is the introduction of the novel, and it is simple thing I wrote in this paragraph. Okay, you will very understand and you remember it. Okay, you add more than words of the novel, but it is okay. And coming to summary, the novel The Old Man and the Sea is a story of man's struggles against the world nature, and it talks of the noble courage and endurance of the Cuban fisherman Santiago. His narrator name is Santiago, who after 84 luckless days has rowed his skiff into the Gulf Stream in quest of a big catch. He is a fisherman. He is a Santiago who's fisherman Santiago. Okay, and he was earlier accompanied by the boy Manlin, with whom before venturing out the talks of better days and about the great sport of baseball. The boy, the boy interesting of the baseball, but now he has lost his boy companion on account of a family decision. His family does not support for him, support for that boy. Okay, the boy's father believes that the old man has lost his luck. Okay, the old man lost his luck and so has moved by another ship which get finished, and so has moved by another ship which get finished. Okay, the boy go to his way in the baseball, not it choose another selection of the his goal. And okay, aged and solitary Santiago goes far out and hooks against Marlin which he fights with steady courage for 2 days alone in the sea. He pits his skill and his waning strength against the will and the power of the great fish and fights with steady courage till he wins. Okay, next paragraph. As the second night turns to dawn, he finally harpoons. Harpoons means weapons of the catching the fish, and he lashes it to his small boat and start his weary voyage back. But before he gets very far, sharks attack. Okay, and start eating the marlin. He fights them as he can, first with his harpoon, then with his knife lashes against skeleton 18 feet from nose to tail. 8 feet from nose to tail, and beaten and exhausted around in defeat. Santiago staggers back home. Next morning, Manolin finds him sleeping on the floor, the skeleton of the great fish still lashed to the side of the skip on the beach. The boy, ignorant tourist, admiring the remains of the gained of the hosted man, sleeps and dreams of the past. It is the summary of the novel. Okay, coming to critical analysis. The Old Man and the Sea. Hemingway says, I tried to make real old man, a real boy, and a real sea, and a real fish, and a real sharks. But if I made them good and true enough, they would mean many things, and truly enough, this short novel does speak about many things. It is allegory of the universal condition of the life, with its success and failure, its mortality and pride, eventually loss of pride. This is the Hemingway says. Okay, critical analysis. It is very beautiful novel, and read well and completely watch my video, and thank you watching my video, and please subscribe my channel, share, comment and like, and share your friends. Okay, and press on the bell icon. And it is very beautiful. It is very understandable, and compared to the humans pride of the story, this is very eventually very beautiful things. And it is Hemingway says, I try to make a real old man real. He completely admired this novel, totally real fiction of this novel. Okay, real fiction of this novel, but not it is true, but not it is true. Maybe I made them good nature. I made them and true enough. They would mean many things. Okay, it is allegory of the universal condition. It is allegory of the universal condition of the life. Every man and woman completely face this situation, life of the death and loss of pride. Pride, eventually loss of pride. Their life is very targetful of the up and downs on the life. Okay, that is this situation, and it is the universal condition of the life, and success and failure, it mortality and pride, eventually loss of pride. Okay, complete this video is very beautiful, this novel, and thank you watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, I upload I upload also the Indian fiction writer. Okay, next coming to more than videos I upload. Okay, and thank you. It is beautiful introduction and summary and critical analysis. Okay, we are any doubts, you comment me. Okay, okay, it is